Hi, I'm Sarah Appelman. I have been a children's occupational therapist for over 20 years. My goal as an occupational therapist is to provide as many free or affordable resources to families who are working with sensory processing disorders. In this video series, we'll be discussing different problems you may face while parenting a child with autism, sensory processing disorders, or even just plain picky eaters. I'm glad you're here. Let's start playing with our food. Hi, I'm Sarah Appelman, and today we're going to do a fine motor skill that you could do in your home. I got a bunch of different colored pom-poms, and I made or attempted to make a caterpillar using different colors, glued them on, drew a face. Kind of looks like a caterpillar or no? No.
Kind of.
Kind of? Okay, close enough. All right. If you don't have tweezers at home, you could use tongs for the barbecue, I tell parents, or sometimes Play-Doh even comes with them. But I'm going to show you how to properly hold it. So I have it faced like this with the opening at the bottom. And then I make sure that the thumb, we don't want it upside down. So watch, just like that. Perfect. Okay. And that's great for pre-scissor skills, for doing a lot of other things. So, Colin, can you find the matching colors inside the bowl and put them on the caterpillar? Exactly. So smart. Let's do 2 per color, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Look at that. Now, your other hand, this hand can help either hold the paper from moving or hold the bowl, whatever. Oh, dude, you got 2 in 1 shot. That was pretty good. Good job. No, you're doing great.
I didn't got 2.
Are you going to get 2 in that shot? You got 2. Oh, are you going to try? All right, that's good. And which blue do you see? There's light blue and dark blue. Perfect. And then purple's last, right? So that's great for visual scanning. He has to look at the paper and then he has to look at the bowl. And then he matched it. He did a great job. That was perfect. If I wanted to work on crossing midline, I would just move the bowl. So watch what happens since he's a righty. If I have you, can you try to get 1 more green? Okay, see how his arm crossed over his midline to get it? So that was perfect. Good job. Okay, so now that we practiced with our palms, you did such a good job. Now we're going to show you, what are we going to do?
Now it's time to put ice in the cup.
That's right. So, using the same method of holding, and this hand can hold here or hold your cup. Yeah, that'll help keep it from moving. So it's very good to encourage your child to use both their hands. A lot of times when they're concentrating so hard, they will neglect one of the sides. So let's see if you can fill, how many pieces do you want to put in there?
5.
5? All right, we'll put 5. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, 5. Perfect job doing it. And you know what? You could encourage your kid to help give everybody at the table some ice. And then, do you know how to pour? Yeah, I guess yes. Okay, and good. Hold it 2 hands, that's full. Yeah, I'll hold this to make sure it doesn't move. Go for it. I hear the clinking of that ice. So now, as a reward, he gets to drink his nice ice cold milk. Delicious?
Good.